Hi guys, I had this morning an issue. I thought, well, I had it for a few days, but the best reflex is there will be updates coming and wait for a few days. So I did, and it wasn't resolved. I can't ping anything anymore. Ping Telenet or ping maybe Google, I don't know. I haven't tried that. So Telenet is our internet service provider, so the first hop for me. Well, same thing. Now, I don't usually ping things, so what I wanted to do basically is put something online on GitLab, I think, or GitHub first. Well, I'll show you. It has to do with GitLab, but there is a script that is going to get something. It's gonna wget something. And this is what I got. And I looked at it and I said, what's going on? Okay, updates, right, never mind, live your life happily. Wait a few days, but still there. So this morning I went into the code, looked up a lot of things, etc resolve, all kinds of files where you can actually have an issue, etc hosts. And at some point in time, I did come across a website of ArcoLinux, of course. And the thing is, well, I had all kind of, I went also interesting to do is to lpacman, and I went over all the things that I removed, because I did remove a bunch of plasma stuff from my system here. So I went and had a look at all the things that I removed lately and see if there was anything critical for my resolve. I mean, it needs to resolve what Telenet is, what Google is, and transform it into an IP address, and then it can ping. So I knew where it would be the reason. What would be the reason? I knew that this is a log. I did not look at this log. Too bad, right? But no, not too bad. I mean, it doesn't give us anything. But I went to look for certificates. I looked at SSL, and I wanted to resolve, and this got me thinking, right? He can't resolve GitLab. So looked at all kinds of things, and here's the solution. So if you have something similar, and that's why we're making the video, if you have something similar, right, this was a waste of time, very much a waste of time. So let me show you one last time so we can put it in the header of the video here. Resolving GitLab actually, and yeah, it gave us the hint that maybe this was wrong, but it wants to resolve something. It can't resolve it at some point in time, and then what, right? So this doesn't matter. This really doesn't matter. It wants to resolve a name into an IP address. And the solution is, the easiest for me is networking, the network manager, edit connections, wired connections, double click, ipv6 automatic, disabled, save, reboot, and you'll see everything is working again. So not sure why it's happening now, but it is happening now, and this is the solution. All right, cheers.